Mabuhay! Magandang araw. My name is Professor Dr. Francisco Ramos and we are going to talk about MICE, which is commonly known as meetings, incentives, conference, or should we say convention, events, or should we say exhibits. Ayan. So with that, it's more likely we're going to talk about events management. So this course provides students with knowledge, sophisticated skills in strategic planning, risk analysis, marketing, budgeting, cash flow, planning, and human resource management. So the learning outcomes that we're going to have is, upon completion of the course, the learner will be able to learn topics covered include marketing, accounting, a little bit of accounting, and legal compliance in events management, as well as to gain knowledge in interesting areas, including businesses, sports, arts, and everything. As in everything. Kasi we will be dealing with some tourism sectors, diba, that would have any connection with the events that we're going to conduct. So, the learning outcomes of every topic would be, at the end of the lesson, the learner will be able to gain better understanding, introduction about the structure and operation of the events industry. Second, we are going to establish its ethical and legal issues and purposes, themes, and format. And then we are going to have the analysis, source, and confirm venues, on-site requirements, and then how to manage event service components. So basically, the topics will be events industry management, events concept, events venues, events staging, and quality customer service. So with this, we are going to have some teaching activities like video, role play, or research work. Aside from the fact that we are going to assess the learner with recitation, quiz, assignment project, and the planning of the final events that we are going to have. So another learning outcome would be to plan and organize marketing and promotional activities of the event, and then determine sponsorship requirements and opportunities, and then integrate appropriate protocol procedures into work activities. So the main topics that we're going to have, okay, is marketing activities, sponsorship, and protocol requirements, with the same activities for the learners. And then that will be for the preliminary meeting or period. For the next topics, at the end of the lesson, the learner will be able to know, model high standards and behavior, allocate work, confirm, plan, and administer projects, identify event infrastructure requirements, prepare for an on-site management. We're going to know more about security and develop crowd management plans. With this, the topics are people management, performance management, project management, event infrastructure, event management services, safety security risk, and crowd control. In at least we will be able to know if we're going to conduct an event, especially those with a larger population or participants, diba? We know how to control the crowd. For another outcome, we will be having some identification of the overall event objectives and scopes, and then identify current resources used within the workplace, access and interpret financial information, prepare budget information, initiate monitoring control system, and then research the legal information required for that particular event. With that, the following are the topics. Catering, yeah. Second would be environmentally sustainable work practices. In at least, we will be able to know how to stage the events but not harming the environment. And then financial information, budgets, events, trends, and practices. Because we really wanted to be our events very special and very unique and very bongga. Yeah, bongga or fabulous. And that would be all for the midterms. For the final, we are going to learn more on the analysis of events context and rationale. And then we have to identify also risk to business operations and nature of events marketing. So the few remaining topics are event visibility, business risk, marketing strategies, public relations, financial operations, and event proposals and bids. We are going to teach these particular topics through videos, role play, or research base. Okay? With the assessment of using projects, quiz, recitations, and probably or the total execution of the final requirement. Okay? So with that, we are going to use mostly the events textbooks that would be officially be given to us or any events, local, domestic, international books available in our canvas or portals. So for the requirements, we have to complete the assignments, quizzes, attendance, projects, major examinations, and the final requirement. So with that, students must come on time, specifically time in the entering the links, and then the student should come 15 minutes after the time should bear an acceptable reason. Ayan. So in at least no cell phones are going to use during face-to-face, but now we are going to use our phones for our synchronous classes. So with that, maraming salamat, and let's continue learning. Bye-bye!